me?
No.
Is that your 9th embarrassing moment of the night?
What?
Is that your 9th embarrassing moment of the night?
Yeah, I guess so. You dropped your sandwich, so. He dropped his pulled pork sandwich everywhere.
I know, but nobody saw it, so it didn't count.
Yeah.
They didn't.
So who ate it, Caitlin?
Yeah, I made her eat it.
No.
She has anything to say.
Yeah, probably not gonna add this guy, Greg Cavazos, and he's married. Probably gonna deny that one.
Facebook creeping?
Yeah. Well, he just added me.
Well, Austin is creeping himself. Over there.
He always does this and I never notice.
I did the same thing, so it's all good.
I'm taking a picture, Katie.
Sure.
Smile.
You're not even taking a picture of the video.
No, I'm not. You're wasting time. It's focused.
Just take a picture then. You don't like the side of my face?
No.
Look at Tiffany and Hanson status.
Yeah, Katie, smile.
Even though you're videoing. That was believable.
Good. Because I took a picture. This wasn't a problem 5 minutes ago.
But I didn't notice. You look at it?
Hey, what phone do you have before that?
The Samsung.
You just talking to me holding the video. Go on.
It was like
The Samsung
it didn't have a name. It was just a sliding. It was like the oldest. It was like one of the first sliding phones for Samsung.
Definitely
possible.
way cooler than the iPhone. Right?
Maybe than the black one.
Once the camera resides,
Works.
how is it to upgrade to an iPhone though?
Pretty good. I had an iTouch before this, so I was really used to the operating system.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Did you see it?
Oh my gosh, you were.
Austin, you're bugging me.
Did you check the first comments on it?
That's what little brothers are supposed to do,
That's the
Caitlin. Now
first
you know
time
what your
it's on.
brother Justin felt like.
When did she say that?
22 minutes ago. That's the first comment.
Someone looking it down.
The left one. Yeah, hopefully.
Oh my god.
I think that kid is. I think he's.
He just added me.
I
He
think
just
he's-
added me
I
like
think-
2 days
I
ago.
think he's a sophomore.
Just like 2 days ago he added
I
me.
think
That's
he's gonna be a
weird.
sophomore. I mean, oh my god. That's
I wonder what happened since we left.
Yeah, for real.
You're gonna have to ask Matt. Hey, tell him.
Should I hate someone? I will.
Landon's on Facebook, so he's definitely ignoring us.
Wow.
Because he already liked that.
He would. I'm a bunch of angry hate time.
I'm the time to We know you're on Facebook and you're ignoring us, so you might as well just hate tell us back.
You're not amused.
Nah.
Wow, Larry, what happened to you? You used to be cool. Can you tell if they opened it or not?
No, I don't think so.
It doesn't matter.
Open the hay tail.
Mm-hmm. Mom, a little bit longer, I feel like.
A little bit longer.
Yeah. Just a couple, like a minute or two.
I'm probably fine on pizza, but
I'm not.
Katie can eat my portion. I'm on a strict no eating diet. Doctor recommended.
An hour ago, that Jack Mac kid said, feels like getting his Mac on, exclamation point.
On FB?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I should add him. He seems
Do
nice.
it. Yeah, he seems nice.